My name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
Welcome to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do an angled double infinity braid.
This style was inspired by Learning with Mary on her YouTube channel.
She has a Spanish channel, so we're going to explain it in English. So let's get started.
You're going to want to wet her hair down, and anything I use in this video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. You're going to start by sectioning her hair from here, the ear, all the way on the other side of her ear. Next you want to do is comb and smooth it out onto the side and put it into a ponytail. I'm going to go ahead and cover this line so you don't see it. And how I'm going to do that is just to comb it back a little bit, just to cover that line. Then I'm going to secure it off with an elastic band. You want to make sure that this ponytail aligns with the end of her eyebrow right here, okay? Okay, see how her ponytail is aligned with the end of her eyebrow? That's what you want. I went ahead and just covered that elastic band using a top-to-tail with her hair. The next step is to split this ponytail in half. Make sure that they're in equal parts. I'm going to go ahead and work on this one first. All I'm going to do is do an infinity braid. If you don't know how to do that, you can go ahead and click right here. I'm going to split this in equal parts. I'm going to take a small piece from the middle right here on this side. And I'm just going to go ahead and weave this over, under, over until I get to about here in the middle of her head. And make sure that you have this strand flushed up against this knot. I'm just going to go fast for time purposes only. Right here, I want to make sure that I have enough to bend this over, and I do. So I'm going to go ahead and stop right here, secure it off with an elastic band. Just going to secure it off on this side here. So I'm going to do the same thing I did here over there. Okay, so I'm going to stop right here and secure it off on this side, right here with an elastic band. I'm going to go ahead and take this bottom half here. I'm going to smooth it out, comb it all to the side, and secure it off with an elastic band. So now I'm going to take this and bring it over here. I'm going to shape this into like a teardrop. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and place an elastic band right here. I'm going to go ahead back here and shape it into a teardrop and take bobby pins and just go right here and secure it into place. Put one more right here and one more right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and continue my infinity braid. Okay, so you can go ahead and continue all the way down without putting this together, but then you won't have that flexibility to move it around as much. Okay, so I'm going to try to see and measure it out, see where I'm at to make that teardrop. Okay, so I'm going to stop here, secure this into place. And I'm going to do the same thing I did over here, right here. So I'm going to go ahead and stop here, secure it. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and shape this back into a teardrop. And then secure this together onto this ponytail. After I'm satisfied with the shape of my teardrop, you can always fix this later. Okay, so I'm going to go back over here, shape it out to the way I like it. And now I'm just going to go ahead and just going to undo this. With the side ponytail, you can do whatever you like. Continue to braid it, or you could just leave it down. I'm just going to go ahead and just leave it down. I'm going to use a topsy tail to wrap this and cover it with her hair. I'm going to go back over here, shape it out. Alright, I'm going to hide this using a hair accessory. Fix it up till you are satisfied with it. I'm going to put a little hairspray. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now, if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please leave a comment down below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success in following our videos and what parts we might be able to improve on. Also, click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the description. Now, this helps us continue to make videos for you.
We want to announce for the first time a new project that we're working on.
This new channel is all about another one of our favorite things to do, cooking and baking.
The name of our new channel is LDT Eats.
We always appreciated your support, so we hope you join us in our new adventure. So don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, click on over there. We love you guys. Until next time.
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others.
Bye.
Bye guys. God bless.